Hello there, so this is my first ever YouTube video called oil.canvas.cat. So I was painting this cat as a present and decided why not to share it with you guys.
Take my hand and pray with me. My final days in company. The devil now is company. And helicopters circling the sea. And I pray for rest. Could you pray for us? We know He loves you the best. We know He loves you the best. The lights inside my cave, I'm tired of my cave. All these trucks they play on me these terrible ways. They don't pay like they used to pay. I used to make it day to day. No one cares for me. I keep no company. I have many more needs, and now they are through with me.
So this is the final result. The quality of this photo is kind of bad, but I hope you can get the main idea.